Hi, I'm Burt Rattlesnake, professional chef.
And I'm Cliff Copperhead, professional chef.
And today, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be making our world famous cola wings.
This is just cola in here. Now to make our world famous authentic cola sauce.
Now that these wings have been marinating in cola for 24 hours, it's time to season and fry them.
Wings in.
Wings out! Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh fuck me. Good action footage there. Some good footage.
Perfectly cooked world famous authentic cola sauce. Now to souse the wings.